Welcome back and thanks for tuning in. Today I'm going to talk about what the difference is between a generic fiber and a trademark fiber. This comes up in the context of disclosing fiber contents on your wearing apparel. And this becomes relevant because with all of the innovation occurring with fabrics and fibers, recycled materials, etc., with the rules governing disclosures of fiber content, which are governed by the U.S. Federal Trade Commission, it becomes important to clarify what it is that the fabric you actually have on you is, because they require that that fiber be disclosed on the hang tag, or rather on the tag of the article itself. So take I'm making this up. Take a fabric called Bio Earth Fabrica. If there were a company and they were selling a product and they were claiming that for example, this shirt, that the fiber was known as Bio Earth Fabrica, that's wonderful. But what's required under the law is that it's broken out with its generic fiber names. So is it then of a natural fiber? Is it cotton? Is it a synthetic fiber? Is it, polyester? Is it nylon? What is it? So anytime a company is coming up with its own creative fiber name, which again, I think is wonderful, especially if it's representative of something bigger that a company is doing, they still nonetheless have to come back and distinguish, okay, well, there's 5% spandex, that's how you get the stretch, for example. There's part cotton, or it's part rayon. Whatever the case may be, the rules require, under the U.S. Federal Trade Commission's laws, that your disclosure of any fiber content is also where you have your trademark fiber name, like Bio Earth Fabrica, that together with it you also list what the generic fibers are as well, like a cotton spandex mix, for example. More on these labels can be found in the book, Chapter 3. That's all for now. Thanks for tuning in.